Hello everyone, this is Ashley.
And this is Mike.
So we are still on the same table and we are going to unpack not the PS4 controller, rather we have the Dobe mobile phone clamp for PS4 controller.
Okay, so the only things or items inside this box is the clamp itself and
The
mic,
cables.
yeah, micro USB cable. So let's try to fit it or fit the item on the PS4 controller, and we'll try a mobile phone. So regarding the clamp, it's made out of plastic. So here is our PS4 controller. And I think this one is to loosen the clamp. Right, there we go. Then next question would be, okay, let's see.
Okay.
Then, oops, sorry.
Ooh.
How can we,
Fit it in.
yeah, needs a bit of
Force.
nudge here. Or does it not? Hold on. Hold on.
Are we supposed to fasten it there?
I think so. Otherwise, it will just, yeah, it will just fall off. Okay, I guess that's it. It's a bit hard to,
To push.
yeah,
To fasten it. So after fastening it on the PS4 controller, the next step would be
putting on the,
mobile phone.
yep.
Okay.
So I might as well remove the plastic here.
Shall I remove the case of the phone?
No. So far, it has a rubber here. Ah, this one is rubber, and this one also here is also rubber.
Rubberized.
Yep, just to protect your phone when you're trying to clamp. So let's see how wide it is. So this is our trusty S9. So if you're seeing the clamp, so there's a plenty of room for the width of the S9. Okay, hold on, give me a sec. So here is the clamp, and I can't even stretch it more. I hope you can see it from the camera. Okay, so let me just go back here, there, and hold on, just change the angle there. Then we will fasten it here from this side, and I think we also,
Have to fasten it on the other side?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you can have a very customized, or shall we say flexible, angles, since all you have to do is fasten it here on your preferred angle. And I believe, let me just unfasten it first. Let me just check how, or if it has a limit regarding the angles. So let me put it on sideways, so I can fasten it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And yeah, there's no limit. You can even do it like this, but of
Backward.
course, you will
Who
not
would
do
do that
that.
anyway?
Okay, so this is a very,
Convenient.
yeah,
Convenient clamp to hold your phone.
and all the only doubt I have here is only this part. It feels,
Is that well secured?
yeah, and it feels brittle on this part. I hope it will hold long on this one. And also, if you're seeing it right now, it's the plastic here or here, and even the part that it would lock, this one is very thin.
I actually have a question.
Mm-hmm.
So you might also be wondering why we are putting in the phone or fastening the clamp on the phone, but we have a PS4 controller. Can we use this to play games on the phone?
That would be on another video. um this PS4 controller is believed to be compatible with Android and also with iOS.
Okay, so guys, so aside from using the PS4 controller on your PS4, you actually have the option to use it in playing the games on your mobile phones.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason why we have it. Okay, but anyway, we have a dedicated video showing how it can be used. So just watch out for it.
Okay. And lastly, uh, just wonder why do we have this is if in case you don't have, or you cannot, or you don't, I mean, this one doesn't have a wireless connection, you can use a cable of the PS4. I mean,
The clamp.
you can use a cable connection on the PS4. As you can see, it has a micro USB here and connects to your
Phone.
mobile phone. If in case you don't have, you're having issues with wireless connectivity.
Oh, okay. Because I think when you play it using the PS4 controller, it uses the Bluetooth capability, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so if you are also interested with this product, you can check our comment
Section.
section or the description below.
Once again, guys, so we have a Adobe mobile phone clamp for PS4 controller.
And I guess that's it for now.
So you do have a good one, guys.
All right.